First thing I did was take off the oscillating knob. Unlike my other General Electric Sanyo fan, this one has a press fit knob, so it's pressed in and you have to really pull hard to get it out. I have to pull so hard that I feel I'm gonna snap it off, but I got it off in the end. No damage to plastics or whatever. And the condition of this fan overall is actually better than my other General Electric Sanyo made fan. I'll work from the bottom up. I'll leave this off cause I don't want to go through the effort of pulling it out again. One. Engages. Speed 2. Engages as well. Speed 3. Now it engages. I think speed 3 somehow it wasn't moving the rail as much towards the camera's left as it should. Now it does. See, it has engaged the tooth. Obviously the whole thing needs clean out of the old grease and then more new grease. So right now I'm applying isopropyl alcohol 100% to dissolve all the old lubricating film or grease or whatever. Okay, I've put lithium grease. Should be all good to go. Next I'll check the contacts. Contact surface. Doesn't seem too bad. Let's try to clean off those black marks. Don't even know what they are, but let's use a cotton bud and shack. Okay, the switch contacts should be clean now. Here's the cotton bud and isopropyl alcohol. Let's reassemble it and give it a test run. And this one still has the wire guide, this plastic thing, fully intact. The other one I have is cracked into pieces, multiple pieces. So I've got to 3D model a new one. Speed 1 was said to be extremely slow. Let's see what happens. Wobbly. No weird smells, anything. Speed 2. Ooh. Wonder what that was. Speed 3. Definitely seems quieter than my other unit. Seems like it's less powerful as well, but could be me remembering wrongly. Let's go for the spin down. Seems to exhibit the classic gummy behavior, like gummed up bearings. The faster the RPM, the more resistance. That's a typical sign of gummed up bearings, which is in line with me feeling that the shaft was rather stiff to turn when I took out the blade earlier. At low RPM, it seems free enough, but I think the blade is not installed well. At higher RPM, like this, it seems to be a bit stiff, when air resistance is not very much anymore. Yeah, I think the blade knob is not tightened all the way. I gotta fix that. I was right. Indeed, the blade knob was not fastened all the way, so I had tightened it by turning it anti-clockwise. Now it's very tight. Comfortably tight. Today I'll be giving it an overnight test run. I'll replace the F30 AAD with it. Actually, before I start the overnight test, I will open up the back of the motor cover, just in case it overheats and blows the thermal fuse. Open it up. Ready for the reveal. We've taken out the screw. And now, we start the overnight test. Oh wait. Let's turn off the oscillation. One thing I like about the Sanyo oscillation is those balls in oscillation get easy to move by external forces. So you can just move the cage and balls will pop out of place. Although it does kind of put a little stress on the gears. So, oof. We will see how it performs.